See if that feels any different. Kind of nervous. He said it would be a lot more powerful. Yesterday I installed these Marsaki Bomber 58 front forks. First off, I think they look so good. They look so mean. The problem is that they're a little bit heavier than the RST Killa forks that I've been riding up until this point. So it's actually a little difficult to pop the front wheel. One of the things I really like about the e-moto Bros controller that I'm running is that it has a very smooth throttle curve, but I found myself wanting just a little bit more torque to pick that front wheel up. So I hit up e-moto Bros and they gave me some instructions on how I can tune it to give me a little more torque. Let's check it out.
Yeah, I'm on my own. I don't need no one. I don't.
The settings that they told me to change were field weakening. They want me to put field weakening down to 0. Right now is at 10 and 8. They also want me to turn up my motor phase amps from 400 to 430. So with the settings I have right now in mode 5, mode 9 is 13 kilowatts, so mode 5 is like 9 or 10. This is the kind of acceleration I'm getting. So that's full throttle, and it like eases into it, which I like. But when you want to pop the wheel with just the throttle, time to tune it up a little bit. What's up? I'm just out here riding. I was gonna make a little video.
I was like, ah! I was right there, right on the corner.
Hell yeah, you wanna go for a little quick cruise?
We're actually going up Baldwin right now.
Oh shit, I'll go like a little bit of it with you and I'll have to turn back.
Alright.
Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, looks like he pulled over. You alright?
Huh?
You alright?
You see me limping back there?
No!
Yeah, dude, fucking my front brake's locking up on me, dude. And I fucking went to take off and it fucking looped on me, dude. Fucking broke my light. Yeah, my front brake's fucked up right now. I fucking looped it right now, dude. I was trying to go and it fucking came up on me and fucking went around. I saw that. I thought you were trying to do some wheelies. No! Dude, where do you want to go? You good?
Beautiful flowers, wow. Alright, fun little mini ride out there, very spontaneous. So I'm going to go into my Egg Rider app. You can change all your parameters through the display app. You don't need the password for the back door or anything. Connect to that bitch. ASI settings, read, put field weakening down to 0, and then I'm going to put motor phase amp up to 430, right, and then you power the display off and on. See if that feels any different. Kind of nervous. He said it would be a lot more powerful. Feels about the same, honestly. Probably a little bit torqueier. Yeah, honestly, it feels about the same. Maybe like 10% more torque, which is really all I wanted. God, coming down with these new forks, so cushy. Yeah, before I had to put my back into popping it, now it sort of pops itself. Very nice. The fact that I'm not going to bottom out every time I go off a curb is huge. So the headset, I got a new headset, the King Creek, and it's pretty loose. It's pretty much exactly as loose as my stock headset. When I get the headset figured out, I'm gonna start learning stoppies, I promise. So there you go, I got it about maybe 10% more torque. Does it itself, let's go. A quick little video, just wanted to share my little tuning endeavor. As always, thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned.
Yeah.